Introducing the 2024 Seat Ibiza PA 0TSI 110HP XC in a sleek white exterior with a powerful 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission. This hatchback is loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. With luxury trim, privacy glass, and a stop and start system, this vehicle is as stylish as it is secure. Rest assured with ABS, tyre pressure indicator, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, benefit from a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty. Our fully serviced vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check for your peace of mind. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional car.